Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to stop people from mentioning you on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. You can choose Instagram mentions. Instagram allows anyone to tag you in stories, comments, and captions, regardless of whether you follow them. Have you ever received an Instagram like from a stranger? You can prevent mistakes and annoying friends to tag you or mention you in their posts or stories. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap Privacy. Tap on Mentions. Tap on No One. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to stop someone from mentioning you on their Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.